Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Upstate Garage, and in today's video, as you can see right behind me, or in front of me actually, we got a bunch of carbon fiber for the E46 M3 that we're going to be installing in today's video. Before we do all that, let's go to the car wash so we can wash it up so the 3M tape has a proper surface to adhere to, and we'll move on from there and install this carbon fiber. Before we get started in today's video, be sure to subscribe down below, and we're at the car wash, so that's what I'm going to get started with right now, and let's get going. Check it out, your boy got a fresh cut. Take dollars and quarters, so we got all the dollars today. Let's see how much this machine will suck up out of me. Come on, take it. There it goes. Everyone's always like, oh, you freaking destroy your paint with the freaking brush and shit. Oh, you destroy your car while just driving this, so it's all good. It ain't a big deal. Oh shoot, you're just squirting at me. Oh yeah. Crazy in the sun. Just putting some fresh scratches in the clear coat, you know, just rubbing it in. The color looks insane. All right guys, we're done. It's been a minute since I gave it a car wash. It looks so good. The sun kind of went down, but from this angle, dude, this paint looks unreal. It literally looks like a video game. This is something I imagined ever since I was little, and the dream came true. It looks sick. Now let's go to the shop, and then I got a diffuser. That entire section replaces, and there's gonna be a carbon strip around the exhaust, and I actually have to paint the section that you see right there also blue so it matches the car. Ah. Man, this car looks so freaking good. It's insane. Oh. Damn. Oh no. Quick pit stop at the ATM. You already know your boy only does cash. Quick pit stop at the gas station. Whoa, what the hell? $4.50 per gallon. Damn, it looks good. Man, this thing just, I love it so much. I don't stop smiling when driving it. Someone was whipping on this road. Danny? Damn, I'm just driving. There's a C6Z06. I think it's clean. Here, it's chopping pretty good. Sick. Keep it moving, pizza boy. I love this road, just this slow ass car, but dude, the views are nice, the roads are nice and twisty. You could send it over here pretty dang good. Looks sick. All right, check it out. We got our carbon fiber diffuser right here and all the supplies. This guy's van kept making a weird noise. Bro just pulled in hot, I don't know. But got all the supplies to paint all this, and we should be good. BMW, it's so freaking awesome. Look at that, we're going freaking fast. We're going 60, 70, and this thing just, oh my goodness. Handles corners like a champ. That's crazy. 60. Like, this car just provides confidence, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, damn. That thing looks sick. I don't know if you can see in these reflections, can you? Here and there. Damn. Man, I love my car. All right, just pulled up back to the crib. Let's get to work. I'm super excited. Freaking straight up carbon fiber right here. And it's already been painted black, but our color is blue, so we're gonna have to sand it and repaint it. Check it out. You can tell it's authentic. The weave underneath. So the way we're gonna do this, sand it lightly with 600, Scotch-Brite the rest, tape off where we want the carbon fiber exposed, shoot the rest of it, untape it, shoot clear coat, and it'll be ready to go. I started off by hitting the surface of it with 600 grit sandpaper, and then wherever I couldn't reach, I hit it with the red Scotch-Brite scuff pad. Then I got my little workbench ready, taped it up so no overspray gets on it. Got the diffuser on and started taping off the carbon fiber that I didn't want to get painted. Taped it up. All right, check it out. Got our nice tape line. It looks all even. Nice swoop. That's where our carbon fiber is going to be at. And let's shoot some base coat and see how it looks. Check this out. First coat of Laguna Seca blue, and it's looking freaking sick. Coverage is perfect, like almost all the black is gone. So I think 2 more coats, we should be good to go. Man, I can't wait. I'm super excited. All right, so we're done shooting this Laguna Seca blue carbon diffuser, and damn, it looks really good. So let's give it about 15-20 more minutes to dry up. I'm gonna untape it and clear coat everything all together. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, dude. It's a 2-to-1 ratio. High solid clear. I barely have any, so that's enough for sure. Perfect. Shake. Mix it all in there really well. Alright, I gave it some time to flash off, and then this is the second coat. Alright guys, check this out. It actually came out freaking amazing. Barely any dirt nibs. And the freaking paint laid out smooth, the clear coat laid out smooth. No hard lines, it's all freaking flowy. It looks amazing. Man, can't wait to install it tomorrow. It's raining right now, it just started drizzling, so we'll close the garage, let this thing dry completely, and then install it tomorrow as well as those front lips. All right, the next day here, and check it out. It's dry to the touch, ready to go. It doesn't leave no fingerprint or nothing. We're ready to install it, and it sucks. Every time I freaking wash the car, it's gotta rain. So let's bring in the car inside, dry it off. At least it's clean. That way the surface is nice to mount the carbon fiber on the front. So I'm gonna pull the car inside, do the rear diffuser first while the front end dries up because it's wet, and then hopefully it'll dry up enough where we can install it with the 3M tape, the front little lip pieces. All right, the car's inside the garage. I'm gonna wipe those pieces down so they can actually continue to dry. I drove up on these little blocks so I can have a little more access room for the diffuser down here. And it's a bunch of clips from the bottom, and then just should pop right out. All right, it was 2 on each side and then 2 in the middle, so 6 in total. And then all I had to do is just yank it right off, and it came right off, no problem. All right, just got the diffuser off, and check out this difference. This is the old one right here. This is the new carbon fiber one. These fangs kind of stick out a little farther. It's got this little swoop right here, which this one doesn't even have at all, and it looks freaking amazing. One thing I did notice, I'm gonna have to drill out these holes a little bit bigger because there's, I guess, a little more slack and adjustability. I'm gonna get my Christmas tree bit, drill them out so they're the same size as that, and hopefully everything works out perfectly, so let's go ahead and do that. Now, it's a little scary at first drilling into carbon fiber. I don't want to mess nothing up, but it was pretty smooth. Just do it all slowly at the same time, and it kind of worked out for the best. But then later on right here, you're about to see I didn't drill one of them out big enough, so then I had to go back and kind of send it in there a little harder, and then it all clipped in. All right, check it out. That looks freaking amazing. I love the way that looks. Now let's go to the front. I got my 3M tape right here. Let's install those front 2 canard carbon fiber pieces on the front bumper and then pull it out in the sun and see how this thing looks totally carboned out. So the first thing I had to do is get both of the carbon fiber pieces and line them all with 3M double-sided tape for it to stick onto the car. Look at me trying to look all professional and shit. Then you just kind of put it up to the car, take the 3M tape off, and then it sticks right on. It looks good. Dang, guys, that looks freaking sick. Let's do the other side. Super simple, anybody could do it. Just put it up to the car, take the tape off, and it's on. Seeing the little lip splitter for the first time looks insane. Now I kind of wish I got the full thing seeing it on the car, but I didn't include those screws on the bottom, so if it falls off, I'll just get a new lip. No big deal, but it looks sick. Let's pull it out. Sun's kind of coming out. It's gonna look way better outside. Let's pull it out. Guys, the sun finally came out. Carbon fiber is popping. The whole car looks insane. It looks literally like a, I don't know, like I said, it's my dream spec. Carbon fiber diffuser looking on point. Looks really good. The entire car just kind of flows carbon fiber black theme. There's no chrome, no silver, no nothing. It looks really good. Except the wheels, they're silver. It looks good though. I like it. That's all that matters. That was a really fun video to make. It really transformed the look of the car. It looks insane now. So if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.